Everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I am going to show you one of the ideas that will be included in my Father's Day gift idea video, and that is homemade hot sauce. So what we're going to use are ingredients that are peppers and everything from don'twastethecrumbs.com's recipe for a 15-minute homemade hot sauce, and we're going to make it. And I'm going to show you how and link the recipe below, but this will be one of the ideas that's included in my Father's Day ideas for you to think about for Father's Day. So anyway, I do want to show you. I picked up these bottles at Dollar Tree and I have washed them. They secure like this. You put the top on and then you pull down this little lever and it closes it and seals it tightly, and that's what I'm going to put the hot sauce in when we're finished. Let me tell you what the ingredients are. Okay, so what I'm going to use for mine, which it takes about 20 peppers. These are fresh, and so these are jalapenos. And then I'm going to make mine not so hot, so I'm going to add in a couple of these sweet peppers to add a little sweetness, and a couple of baby carrots to add some sweetness too. You need minced garlic, and then you need some either white vinegar or you need apple cider vinegar. Now the first instruction is to wash your peppers. So I'm going to put some gloves on. I'm going to go wash my peppers, and then we're going to cut the tops off when we have to boil them. Okay, once you've washed all your peppers, then you want to cut the tops off of them and slice them lengthwise. So you would cut the top off and then cut it in half this way. Okay, now I have all of my peppers ready to be boiled. So let's go over to the pan at the stove. The instructions say to put in 1.5 cups of vinegar. So I'm going to put that in and then add the peppers. So I'm going to add the peppers and bring this to a boil. So I've never made this hot sauce before, so we'll see how it turns out. Now I've got my peppers in here. I'm going to add my 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I need to add my minced garlic, and that is 3 teaspoons. So I'll have my measuring here, 3 teaspoons. So I'm gonna kind of estimate it like that, and then bring this to a boil. Okay, now the peppers are nice and soft. They are tender. They were on a low boil for about 10 minutes. Now I need to take the peppers and pour them into my blender. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the power on and I'm gonna liquefy this into a sauce. Okay, now you can tell I use mostly jalapenos because my sauce is more green, and that's okay because my husband likes jalapenos and the flavor that they give to you. So now if you want to add additional heat, you can add it to this, like a habanero, 1/2 habanero pepper. But the recommendation from the recipe is to test it the first time, then see if you want to add additional heat, because you can't take the heat away once you put it in there. And so now I'm going to pour this into my jars or my bottles and put a label on it. Just one tip for you, I am using a funnel. I'm going to see if I can do that. I'm not sure actually how thick the liquid is. Again, I've never done this before. And so we'll just, oh, pours right in. This is awesome, you guys. and it is still hot, so you're gonna wanna let it cool before you seal it and before you put it in the fridge. This is so awesome. Now I don't know if I have enough for 3. I'm just gonna stop there and go to my next one. Okay, so I don't have quite enough in that one. So of course this one would be my gift, right? And I made some labels. And this is just from using my computer. I just put homemade hot sauce. I tasted it. Whew. Anyway, I put the ingredients here, and it would be good to mark the date that you put it in the refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and put my labels on here, and I will link everything below this video. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you make your own hot sauce, and I'd love to know how it turns out for you.